your dream.
Unlock your dream. Sharing ka lang ng kapensa ng artist sharing kita buwan sa visa or sharing kita buwan sa panos o sharing kita buwan po. Because of Trickster, ito yung ginagawa. This is the solution to the other point. Not only sa Tomasiti, but also why? Because here, as I understand, critical knowledge, wala na yung money. All financial. Eh sabi ko, gusto ko rin sumali dyan. Di ba? When you invest, actually, you get already the value of the money in terms of the product. Am I right? Yung pag din alam ko na mga nag-realize ng masasabi. Aside from that, when you will be able to convince your friends to join, meron po kayong parang commission. As you go on selling and convincing people to join, actually, when you convince somebody to join, you're actually helping somebody out. Kasi maganda yung scheme, yung the way you get the product. Hindi naman meron ng parang hindi ako, sabi na yun ha, because once you buy, as if you just buy the product. At the same time, when you will be able to pay friends, makakaroon tayo ng additional commission. Hindi mo sa vice president sa'yo, ano ba ang iba sa pyramid? Sabi ko, ang pyramid, pera. Lagay ka ng pera, buha ka ng mga kasama mo, lagay sila ng pera, ibigay sila ng pera, mas malaki na lang, isang only mo, maging 5 years, only 1 week, you get siguro mga 4,000 na lang po. Tapos, kung may pera ka lang, lagay ka lang. And you will get anything, but I don't know it. Eh, kung ikaw yung nasa last, kawawa ka. Di ba? Nandun ko sa tira ko dito, siguro na last. But here, if you're the last, no problem, because you're already paid, actually. Kaya kung pwede rin ang product. Am I right? This is more understanding of the product. So, I really am very happy that I am here. If you don't see this video, I'm blessed for the occasion because I'm blessed for the yes, I never thought that I would be speaking before you today. Wala ka lang sa mga podcast, can you speak to us? Can you give a little short message? Sabi ko, sige, basta you have to excuse my attire, I have dress, I have to dress for the occasion. But let me, in my personal way, really thank the people of Manila, people of the company of Northeast to Zamboanga City. And I really hope that we will be